Hey everybody, this is Donna, the Technology and Media Librarian at Upper Arlington Public Library. I'm here with a video to demonstrate how you can use mobile printing at our locations. So the Upper Arlington Public Library offers mobile printing services for its patrons, and in this video we'll demonstrate how to locate our mobile printing webpage, how to upload a file to send for mobile printing, and how to forward an email with attachments for printing and then pick up at one of our branches. Let's get started. To get to our mobile printing page, start at the library's website, which is ualibrary.org. Once you're on our page, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on the link for mobile printing. Now, I've bookmarked this mobile printing page for later use, so I won't need to go through these steps later. On the mobile printing page, you'll see pricing information for black and white prints, color prints, and the hours for pickup at our 3 branches. There are multiple ways to send your documents to the library for mobile printing. The first is that you can upload documents that you have saved to your computer or to a storage device like a flash drive or external hard drive. For documents that you've saved, click this green Submit a Print Job button. This all takes place through the web, so you won't need to install any software for this part of the process. Here, you can either drag and drop your files into this field, or you can click Select File. If you click Select File, you'll be prompted to search for the file in question on your device. And once you locate that file, select it, then click Open. Before printing, just make sure that your file type is supported. A list of all supported file types will be here on the page. Now, if the file you're trying to print doesn't meet these requirements, or if you're receiving an error message when attempting to select and upload your file, please contact the library for assistance. Our contact information is available on the mobile printing page. Once you've dragged and dropped your file or selected and opened the correct compatible file, you'll see your print setting options. You can adjust the number of copies you want to make, whether you print in black and white or color, whether you want single or double-sided pages, whether you change the layout, and whether you need to select a specific page range or all pages. You'll then see the total cost under the estimated job cost, and you'll enter your name or your library card number in this field. If you'd like to receive a confirmation that your print was sent, enter your email address or the phone number for email or text message receipts, respectively. This step is optional. Finally, select the orange Submit button. Once you've sent your prints, visit one of our library branches during its operating hours for pickup. If you're trying to print emails or an email attachment, you do have a couple of options for how to send those. One is that you download your email attachment to your computer or another storage device and then follow the instructions we just demonstrated. But a much quicker and easier way is to forward that email with its attachments to one of the 2 email addresses shown here on our mobile printing page. The email address you select depends on whether you want to print your attachments in black and white or in color. What you'll do is copy the correct email address and then go back to the email with the correct attachments. Select Forward, pasting the address you just copied into the To field. Once you've forwarded your email, visit one of our library branches during its operating hours for pickup. And that is how you can send your documents through our mobile printing service. If you have any questions about mobile printing, please contact our library staff with your questions. And thanks for watching.